Feeling stuck in your career? It's time you upgrade. Saudi Vision 2030 is reshaping the future, placing a strong emphasis on the use of artificial intelligence and technology at the heart of this transformation. Mashdemy and JainX bring you a dual certification course in artificial intelligence and machine learning, a career breakthrough waiting to happen. Don't miss the 50% off early bird discount. Pay just 5,000 SAR for the 6-month course. Join the executive program with convenient schedules, live mentor sessions, and lifetime access. No coding background needed. Real-world projects, expert instructors, and a hybrid learning model for ultimate flexibility. Industries like healthcare, finance, and energy are embracing AI for efficiency and innovation. Your opportunity for high-paying roles in diverse domains has arrived. Visit ai.mashdemy.com now and redefine your career with AI and ML, because your breakthrough starts with the skills of the future.